Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, we're gonna bleach my hair. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited because I cut my hair off just so I could kill it again. Oh, my little doggy. Hi. Because today I'm gonna fry my hair. I'm gonna bleach my hair. But I'm not a professional. I'm nowhere near a professional, but I've done it a few times and I did it on one of my friends and it turned out so good. If you guys want to do this, literally this and this and this is what you need. These three products were they were 15 bucks, less than 20 bucks to bleach your own hair. If you want to learn how to do it at home, I can teach you. Like, don't sue me, bitch, but I could get you there. So just follow this tutorial and let's kill our hair. Let's get started, hon. You guys, without further ado, for this tutorial, you want to use a lightening powder to bleach your hair. Today, I'm using the L'Oreal Quick Blue. Also get a 40 volume cream developer if you want to bleach your hair fast. It just depends how light and fast you want to go. You can use 20 or 30. And also pick up a toner. I'm using the Wella 114, the T114. This is good to cancel out any brassiness. Also for protection, use the coconut oil. And we're gonna grab all these products and mix them in a mixing bowl. Let's begin, you guys. If you have long hair, I suggest you do it in sections. The closer to the scalp it is, the faster it's gonna live. So that's why I like emphasize that you check it every 15 minutes. So like, oh shit. Yeah, she's on grinder. Did y'all hear my grinder? Oh my god. But literally just put it everywhere, you guys. Okay, you guys, I look crazy. I put it all over because I just don't want it on top. I want it all over. The next step is you want to grab a bag, a plastic bag, and we're going to cover this hair carefully. And we're going to keep it in there for 15 minutes. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. We're going to leave it out for 15 minutes while we blow dry our hair. Set it up on high. Okay, you guys, so I blow dried, however the fuck you say it, blow dried my hair for 10 minutes out of the 15. Pretty good. 10 minutes, and my scalp is like, it's burning. You guys, let's check this hair. It's been 15 minutes. Like, it's already starting to burn. I can feel it. So we're gonna check it. You guys. Oh my god, it's completely blonde. I'm probably gonna add I'm gonna do a second time. Oh my god. Don't mind my pimples. I'm probably gonna do a second round. It's completely blonde. I want it a little more lighter. And yeah, you guys. So I'm gonna check the back in the mirror. I can't. Unfortunately, you need a friend to do your back, or like grab a makeup palette that has a mirror and stand in your bathroom mirror and you'll be able to do your back. Like, use mirrors, they'll help you a lot. So I'm gonna check my back, and depending, like right now I don't really see any patches that are like copperish, but I'm gonna check my hair. I'll be back. But literally, if you have patches of copper hair, like add more bleach and then like do another 15 minutes. But if you're happy with your color, just like wash it off. But I think I'm gonna do a second round and we're gonna move on from there. We're gonna tone it and then we're gonna be done, you guys. So yeah. So my hair is literally like, it's yellow, but it lifted a lot. 2 sessions of 15 minutes, a total of 30 minutes on my head. This is all that I'm gonna do, and then right now I'm gonna tone it. Once you add this T14 toner, all this yellowness is gonna go away and it's gonna look more natural, more ashy, more platinum. That's what so now I'm gonna tone my hair. The T14 is for platinum and blonde ash hair. I'm gonna use a fourth of this little bottle. Not the whole bottle, bitch. A fourth, depending on how long your hair is. So, in developer, I'm gonna do a little more. I think that's good. So I showed y'all what to mix. This mixture is like watery. The other one was more like thicker, a thicker consistency. This one's like more watery, so you gotta work fast. We're pretty much gonna do the same thing, cover our whole head, but this time we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes. I don't think it's gonna need more than 15 minutes. If not, we're gonna add more. It's like so watery, so I'm gonna try to work fast. Just add it in your whole head. Y'all know what to do. Oh my god, you guys, my hair is like not gold anymore. It's platinum. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm so happy. My hair's not black anymore. I look like freaking Ken right now. It's like so pretty, so good. I did it in one day. One day I went from black to platinum, under $20. A total of 45 minutes. You can bleach your hair. Don't let them trick you, because I went to Tony and Guy and they wanted to charge me $50 for like 4 visits. That's $200, bitch, and I have short hair. Like, bitch, bye. They're just trying to get your coins. Like, you could do it yourself at home, so at your own risk though. I'm not a professional, but my hair looks cute. So if y'all try it, let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like. If y'all want more videos, if y'all want me to do a video of me going purple, because I will go purple. I like when I went purple. I've done it before. It came out cute. I got compliments. But for now, I'm keeping this. So this is how I go from black to platinum in one day, 45 minutes, under $20, bitch. So mwah. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys, love y'all, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.